Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and today I'm gonna talk about two amazing perfumes, and that is Poison Girl from Christian Dior and Black Opium from YSL, Yves Saint Laurent. I'm gonna compare these two beautiful perfumes and then I'm gonna say my decision which one is more likable to me. Both perfumes are very nice, sweet, oriental and vanilla flavors, and the good vanilla in it. This perfume, Black Opium, is older than Poison Girl. This was launched in 2014 and Poison Girl was released in 2016, so 2 years later than this one. So this one is newer perfume, but they are both beautiful perfumes, just amazing smell, both of them. I'm just gonna spray it now, both of them. I'm gonna spray Black Opium first, and then I'm gonna spray Christian Dior Poison Girl. Yeah, I'm gonna let it slightly evaporate. While I'm waiting for this to slightly evaporate, I'm gonna show you what packages or boxes they come in. They're both beautiful, shiny. They are just beautiful, both of them. They are quite similar actually, like they've got quite similarities, like this is Black Opium, this is Poison Girl, this has got a black circle around there, this one has got like black package as well. They're both shiny on the sides, and yeah, so this one is more mysterious, this one is more like rebellious, and yeah, so both of them are very similar but at the same time a bit different. Let's get back to the perfumes now. So both perfumes has got vanilla in it, and orange. Openings are with orange actually, both of them, and the middle notes in this one is 2 roses, and that's in Poison Girl in Dior, and in Black Opium the middle notes are coffee, jasmine and almond and licorice. So that's slightly different. They're both sweet, and then when we get to base notes, we've got in Poison Girl tonka bean, sandalwood, almonds and tolu balm. In Black Opium we've got vanilla and patchouli and cedar and cashmere wood. They both have got vanilla in them. It's very interesting that middle notes, coffee in Black Opium and roses in Poison Girl, you can't really smell much in any of them. So the coffee beans, they sort of, you can't really smell them too much in Black Opium, and roses you also can't smell too much in Poison Girl, so it sort of escaped the middle notes almost. Obviously you can smell it a little bit but not too much in both of them. And I would say Black Opium is a little bit like, I would compare it like down to earth perfume, and I would say it's more for mature women or middle age, and I wouldn't think it's for girls much. Whether Poison Girl is actually, it's got it in the name as well, it's more like for girls and maybe middle-aged women as well, but more for girls. So that would be difference between them two. Both of them, I would say, they are for winter. They are winter perfumes and evening perfumes. But Poison Girl, I think you can get away with it if you spray it in the summer as well or daytime. With this one, with Black Opium, it's a little bit, it could be a little bit heavy for the summer or daytime. So I would probably just use it for evening or nighttime and winter. Then the main differences between them two, which will make my rating different as well, is the longevity. The longevity on Poison Girl from Dior is literally 10 out of 10 for me. It lasts and lasts and lasts, literally lasts 24/7. I mean, it just lasts. It's great, it's beautiful. So I can spray it on in the morning, it will be still there in the evening, I can have a shower and it will be still there in the morning. It's just amazing. Yeah, longevity on this one is amazing on Poison Girl. And on Black Opium, unfortunately for me, if I spray it, it lasts about 4 hours and then I have to spray again. So the longevity is a bit let down, it doesn't last so long. But smell is beautiful, so I don't mind so much. But because of that, that's what makes me give it maybe rating like 7 out of 10 for Black Opium from YSL, and for Poison Girl from Dior I can rate it freely with clean heart 10 out of 10. Definitely 10 out of 10 for Poison Girl. So who was the winner out of them two is Poison Girl from Dior. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for this one. It's beautiful fragrance. It just smells gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This one smells gorgeous as well, it just doesn't last so long. So yeah, this one is a winner. Both bottles are, they've got also very nice tops. So this top on Black Opium is very strong. It's just very strong, like it's very tight. So that's very good. And this is also tight, but not so tight, but it is tight. Yeah. So yeah. Also, what's different is when you look at this, there is the sign Christian Dior on the top, and there isn't. On Black Opium it's not, just on Christian Dior. And both of them, they've got beautiful bottles. On the bottom of Christian Dior Poison Girl, it's a little bit like dark black as well, and then it slightly goes to yeah, just disappears into bottle. This black disappears into bottle. The liquid in there is colorful, same like in Black Opium. Both are colorful juices. And one thing I forgot to mention is, I haven't tried it yet actually, but maybe when you spray these perfumes you should be careful with white clothes. I haven't tested it yet, but maybe you can bear this in mind, just to make sure it doesn't leave marks on the white clothes. They both have got colorful juices in there, colorful liquid. It's actually yeah, a little bit like orange yellowish liquid in Black Opium, and like red or pinky red or dark red in Poison Girl. I would say about the scents, back to scents, to smells, this one is very such a mysterious scent. It suits very elegant, smart woman, a woman who's got self-confidence and is very assertive. With this one, it's a little bit more playful. It suits young girls, you know, it's for fun as well, but even middle-aged women can wear it, and mature women. Price-wise, I think they're quite similar prices with perfumes. Maybe this one is slightly more expensive. The maybe Poison Girl is slightly more expensive. It all depends, but yeah, it's quite similar pricing as well. Both of them perfumes are absolutely compliment getters. They are just amazing. You will get compliments anytime you wear them, guaranteed. So overall, I could say the winner for me is Poison Girl from Christian Dior. Out of these two, Black Opium from YSL or Poison Girl from Christian Dior, it's definitely Poison Girl. It's the winner. I just love this perfume. I absolutely love this smell. It's just amazing. It's so nice, so sweet, so delicious. It's just delicious. You just want to eat it. It lasts so long. It lasts forever. Once you spray it, it just lasts and lasts. And I really like the base note of Poison Girl. It's sort of this beautiful, delicious vanilla in there. It just makes you calm and soothing. So I really like and I really prefer Poison Girl. So yeah, that's these two fragrances comparison. Poison Girl from Christian Dior and Black Opium. You can leave me comments, guys, what you think, if you agree with me or not. That's just my opinion. Thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you.